When it comes to cryptocurrency, the word scam does get brought up. It does. And one of the scams is called a honeypot. Not this type of honey. I love this honey on some biscuits, absolutely. But this honeypot. In cryptocurrency, a honeypot is a type of scam where you can buy a token, but you cannot sell it. In other words, the money you invested in is essentially stolen, leaving you with a bag of coins you just cannot trade. Now, honeypot scams usually work with the following way. A scammer creates a token pre-sale and promotes it on various channels. He's promoting this. However, a piece of code is written to the contract which only allows certain wallets to sell the coin, usually the scammer's wallet. Now, when the coin is launched, unsuspecting investors buy it, causing the price to increase or pump. Since there's no selling activity, the scammer then sells when he or she wants, cashing out the stolen funds. Yes, it does exist. Now, how does a honeypot scam work? Now, the honeypot scam most likely got their name from someone getting their hand stuck in a jar or a pot of honey. Now, the honey represents something sweet and enticing, just like this graphic right here. Put your hand in a honey pot and you get it stuck in there. Okay, and sweet and enticing, like pumping a coin. However, once your hand is inside the jar, it gets stuck. By the way, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Now, 3 stages in a honeypot scam. A honeypot usually works in 3 stages. An attacker uses a contract that appears to be suspectable and baits it with money. We just kind of talked about that. Then the victim tries and fails to take advantage of the contract by transferring at least the required amount. He's already doing that. Then the attacker takes the bait and the money that the victim lost during the attempt. So that is usually the 3 stages of the honeypot scam. Now, the type of honeypot based on design of the smart contract, you got the research honeypots and you got the production honeypots. And it breaks this down. Production honeypot runs servers that typically run in your environment, okay? Deploy company can observe attacker habit and strategy, usually through this honeypot form. Now, various ways to protect against honeypot crypto scams. You got the dead coins, no audit, scrutinize their website, and check their social media. Now, no dead coins. If more than 50% of coins are in a dead wallet, a project is protected from the rug pull, but not a honeypot. It usually identified it as that. This number here, this long number and dead. If less than half the coins are dead or none are dead, be very cautious. Now, no audit, the chances of a honeypot are normally or nearly always eliminated if a trustworthy company audits them. So that's why it's always good to get security audit, like a circuit audit. All right. Large wallets. You got to watch for this on some of the contracts and the Ether scam. Now, large wallet holders avoid cryptocurrency that have only one or a few wallets. Be careful on that. The website. Now, this is pretty straightforward, but if the website appears rushed and the development is poor, this is a warning sign. One trick is to go to this right here and type in the domain name to see when it was registered from the website. You might be quite sure it's a fraud if the domain was registered within 24 hours or less of the project starts. Then this is one area that I look at as well. Check their social media as well. Scam projects usually feature stolen and low quality photos or any type of problems or spammy messages. Drop your Ether address such as that, no links, project information, so on. Now, Token Sniffer is a good source. It's a really good resource to spot honeypot crypto. I'll have the link in the description of Token Sniffer, and all you have to do is put the contract address in the search bar. Search for the automated contract audit results by entering the token ID in the top right corner. Stay away from the project if there are any alerts, because many projects now employ contract templates. Okay? All right, if the coin is listed on Binance Smart Chain, go to PooCoin, all right? Enter the token ID, all right? Stay away if there aren't any wallets selling. So if you don't see anything selling, something's wrong. Or if only 1 or 2 wallets are selling, you're choosing coin. Most likely it's a honeypot. Remember, we went back over here. So usually work for the following way. A scammer creates a token pre-sale, promotes it, but that piece of code is written to the contract, which only allows certain wallets to sell the coin using the scammer wallet. So you got to be careful that you can spot it out really by just going through some of these steps here. Lastly, you should conduct through research before parting with your hard-earned cash when purchasing cryptocurrency. So the biggest thing about the honeypot, I'm going to go back over here, is a type of scam where you can buy a token but you cannot sell it. So if you can't sell this thing, that's a problem. Make sure you can sell it on Uniswap or any type of exchange anywhere, okay? In other words, your money essentially stolen if you can't sell it. Now, I would not panic. It could be some things wrong. I will go back to the dev or the Telegram or go to Token Sniffer to really check this out. So I would not necessarily panic. Just do your research and really check out certain things. This is something that does happen in the cryptocurrency in terms of scams, but the honeypot definitely is one of those things, but it is starting to be a little bit more easier to spot, because when a person can't sell it, they're going to go to Token Sniffer, they're going to go to the website, and they're going to go to other various places just to see if this is real. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, be careful out there. I'll have the link in the description of this article to break down what is a honeypot and how to avoid it, and let's go from there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You see the video on the bottom left, watch that video. It's another educational video. It'll help you today. I'll see you over there in a few minutes.